students, today we are going to discuss about Indus Valley Civilization, which is in the 6th standard social science term 1 history part. Indus Valley Civilization. Okay students, in the last class we have discussed about lot of the information about Indus Valley Civilization, especially Harappan Civilization inside the Great Path and granaries and assembly hall. Okay, now we are going to discuss some other extra important points in the Indus Valley Civilization. One more thing, in our India, in the civilization, Indus Valley civilization is very oldest. Moreover, this civilizations compared to the modern days, okay, this is a bit of the information about Indus Valley civilization. Okay students, let us move to the topics.
Dockyard at Lothal. First of all, the meaning of dockyard. A place where ships are built and repaired. A waterside area containing docks, workshops, warehouses, etc. for building, outfitting and repairing ships, for storing naval supplies, etc. This is the meaning of dockyard. Okay, now dockyard at Lothal. Lothal is situated on the banks of a tributary of Sabarmati river in Gujarat. It shows the maritime activities of the Indus people. Leader in Mohenjo-daro. A sculpture of a seated male has been unearthed in a building with a headband on the forehead and a smaller ornament on the right upper arm. His hair is carefully combed, beard finely trimmed. 2 holes beneath the ears suggest that the head ornament might have been attached till the ear. The left shoulder is covered with a shawl-like garment decorated with designs of flowers and rings. This shawl pattern is used by people even today in those areas. Technology. Indus people had developed a system of standardized weight and measures. Ivory scale found in Lothal in Gujarat is 1704 millimeter. The smallest division ever recorded on a scale of other contemporary civilizations. Do you know a little information about Indus Valley civilization? This little statue was found at Mohenjo-daro when Sir John Marshall saw the statue known as the Dancing Girl. He said, "When I first saw them, I found it difficult to believe that they were prehistoric modeling, such as this was unknown in the ancient worlds up to the age of Greece. I thought that these figures had found their way into levels some 3000 years old to which they properly belonged." KVT complex. K. Korkai, V. Vanji, T. Tondi. Spread over Afghanistan and Pakistan has many places names of those were mentioned in Sangam literature. Korkai, Vanji, Tondi, Madurai, Urai and Kudalgar are the names of places in Pakistan. Korkai and Bumbuhar in Afghanistan are related to the cities and ports mentioned in the Sangam age. The names of the rivers Kaveri and Purans in Afghanistan and the rivers Kaveri Wala and Purunai in Pakistan also occur in the Sangam literature. Do you know the hidden treasures of the Indus civilization? Inscriptions, it means written in a script of those times, can provide us information about customs, practices, and other aspects of any place or time. So far, the Indus scripts has not been disappeared. Therefore, we must look for other clash to know about the Indus people and their lifestyle. Apparel. Cotton fabrics were in common use. Clay spindles unearthed suggest that yarn was spun. Wool was also used. Love and peace. Settlements were built on gained platforms and vaulted grounds. Elevated grounds. The Indus civilization seems to have been a peaceful one. Few weapons were found and there is no evidence of an army. They displayed their status with garments and precious jewelry. They had an advanced civic senses.